Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 618 and today's topic is the current global status of manufacturing of COVID-19 disease vaccine. COVID-19 disease vaccine is very much in news nowadays. Reason is that every nation wants it very quickly. So here, as a researcher, as a scientist, as a chemist, I feel that we should not be in hurry. First thing, that scientists should be given enough time, sufficient time, and sufficient time for its testing also at clinical level. If we are in hurry, definitely we will be missing something. Because this vaccine therapy is not so simple what people are thinking. Even some people started saying in the beginning that maybe within 2-3 months we will get. I said for vaccine, for measles vaccine, which is, I can say that which took the minimum time and it took 4 years for its completion. So this COVID-19 vaccine, you should not expect in 6 months or 1 year. It may take 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, 8 years, 10 years for its total effectiveness. For example, your HIV vaccine, still it has taken more than 30 years and it may take another 20 years. And it is not concluded. Clinical trial is not over. So the vaccines can take a lot of time. And I have already delivered one lecture on vaccine manufacturing. So here I am not going to discuss that procedure, but at least just basic I will tell you how we can define vaccine. Actually, vaccine is where it is a chemical substance we can obtain from the same virus, same pathogen, and after its conditioning, or conditioning means sometimes it is weakened, sometimes it is fragmented, and sometimes it is killed. And these portions are added to our body, to our immune system, so that our antibodies and this in the form of antigen, they are fighting together. And this vaccine bodies, they are responsible of enhancing and recognizing. They have the memory to recognize that incoming pathogen, and they can destroy. This is the actually basic principle of vaccination and vaccine. So the first vaccine which was produced, and let me tell you one thing, some 250 years ago there was no vaccine. And when vaccine started coming, it started first one, that was by weakening the pathogen, and it was smallpox, measles vaccine. Then at that time, if we go through the history, it is very interesting that some 250 years ago, 50% mortality of our children were there. 50% children, they were not able to survive up to 5 years. And with this vaccine development and research, different variety of vaccines are there for diphtheria, for polio, for smallpox, for chickenpox. And in this way today, the status is like this, that only 2% mortality is there, and that 2% inclusive of Asia and Africa. If you take Western countries like America and Europe, it is less than 1%. So it is a magical, it has played a big role in our human health, especially the child mortality. So vaccine is very, very powerful tool for our civilization. And I have mentioned here that is DNA vaccine. Actually, this vaccine is where this 4th generation vaccine, if we are successful, we are trying. So what we are doing, we are injecting different strain of virus into double helix DNA, that is called plasmid, and that plasmid is injected into cell, and in this way we will get T killer cell, and that T killer cell is responsible, will be responsible fighting the pathogens. But at moment with this COVID-19 disease vaccine, we are trying 3-1. First, that is weakening of the live pathogen or live virus. What do you mean by weakening means, for example, if there is DNA, is a genetic material and it is covered by protein. So what we are doing, once we have destroyed and damaged the whole protein layer, so now this is carrying the genetic material, but it is weak. And this is powerful vaccine. It is for lifelong. And this vaccine is used for smallpox and measles. The second one is, that is by killing, by inactivation. We are inactivating, and that one is injected. And the third one is where all this material is fragmented in small pieces, and that one is injected. This is the basic principle of COVID-19 vaccine therapy, what they are trying. And at moment, what they are claiming globally, 100 companies or manufacturers have claimed that they are in different stages of manufacturing of the vaccine. But here, we cannot believe, because, for example, in India, they are saying that we are in phase 1 and phase 2. By July, it will be phase 2. And they are saying by August 15th, maybe our vaccine will be ready. No, I disagree with that statement. Because the vaccine trial, testing, research, testing and trial. First, research is going on of its toxicity. That is on animals. That is testing and research. And human trial starts with phase 1, phase 2. Means in phase 1, maybe we will take 1 dozen. In phase 2, maybe 1,000. Phase 3, maybe 100,000. Phase 4, maybe 1 million. So for this, it takes lot of time. Maybe 1 year, 6 months, 2 years. And after that, we have to see the effect. For example, after giving the COVID-19 vaccine, somebody is claiming that it is effective. For how long? Is it for lifetime? For 6 months? Or for 1 year? If you are claiming after 1 month that somebody is given, one group, and after 1 month they are not getting any infection, and maybe after 6 months they are getting, so that vaccine is not effective even up to 6 months. So there are a lot of, human trial is needed. That's why this vaccine, we should not take it lightly just to say that everything is getting over. And very soon we are expecting, no. Let scientists be very honest. It is all experimental on the basis of quantification, on the basis of experimentation, and it is human life is involved. Please give enough, sufficient time for research, for testing, and for human trial. Don't be in hurry. Don't be under political pressure to bring in the market unless it is foolproof. And for all these things, it requires years. Maybe if nowadays technology is very advanced, if all the testing, for example, Oxford, UK, they are saying that they are in phase 3 stage. Americans, they are saying in phase 2 stage. Germany, they are saying that now they have tested 45,000. They have crossed this phase 3 stage. So let them be given enough time that after that human trial, let them wait and see the effect. From very beginning I am saying, this coronavirus is having stereochemistry of the protein. That is called mutation, or we can say it is in different strain. And the biggest hope in future, I always said, is 4th generation DNA vaccine, once we are successful to inject different strain in the DNA, and then it is put inside the cell in the form of plasmid, and then our T killer cell will be taking care. Time may come. Time may come where we may have such type of we can say vaccine which will be enough to fight all pathogens. That like H antigen. All these things. So here, let me explain one by one. That is, what is vaccine? I have already told you that is a chemical substance which is injected just to fight along with our antibody, improve or increase antibody to fight. Of course, they act as antigen. They cannot cause disease. And there are timing for the vaccine. It may take 2 years, 8 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. No vaccine will be ready within 6 months or 1 year. So we should not have any confusion. Research stage, we have to go through research. Once it is given to human trial, once vaccine is given, we get fever, some toxicity, even some other, because they are fighting. Fighting is going on between WBC antibodies and antigen. So for that, we need enough research and observation. Then testing stage. Testing stage comes when we are testing on animals first. And then our observation, we have to go through it and then record. And then that is called clinical stage. Clinical stage comes where human trial is there, where human beings are involved. And there different stages are coming. I have already told you that phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, it goes for years, involving millions of people, and then waiting their response for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Like that is a long procedure. And long procedure is very careful observation. Then effective time. Is it for lifetime? Is it for 6 months? Is it for 1 year? That we have to see. Because for this COVID-19 vaccine, I doubt whether it will be for a long time, for lifetime. Even if it is valid for 1 year, we are happy. So that is also one of the factor. Then we have to get the approval from government. Anybody can come on TV and say that we are ready. No, it's wrong. There is legality. Unless we get the approval from government. And government approval means there are a lot of other agencies are there, scientists are there. WHO is there, it is under the supervision of WHO. Recently, yesterday, WHO has recognized 15 vaccines out of 100. Before, 70 they gave that we are all ready. Then out of 15 they are in advanced stage. The phase 3 or phase 4. So it is all under WHO supervision also. Then number 9, manufacturing on mass scale. It's not easy to manufacture on mass scale. It requires billions of naira or rupees. Because it's not that only one plant is there. There are different plants for different production of vaccine. So for this they have to set up the new plant, new observation, new trial. So all this they require lot of billions of money involved. So that's why manufacturers or businessmen or companies, those who are involved, they will not be at high risk to lose their money. That is, on manufacturing on mass scale means 1 million, 10 million or 1 billion doses. Then finally, the status of vaccine, that I have already told you, that the status of vaccine is in USA. There are 4 manufacturers. They are claiming that they have 3 stages. UK, Oxford University has gone up to the 3rd stage because they have already tried up to 45,000. And at Oxford University, they are trying on Brazilian human beings. And they are successful, what they are claiming. So in all this, the Oxford University one is more advanced. Then Germany is claiming that they have tested 45,000 human trial and they are successful. And then India is claiming that they are going for phase 2 human trial, and that Bharat Biotech, which is located in Hyderabad, one of the city in India. They are very experienced vaccine manufacturer, and they are claiming, that's why their claim I especially big the question mark. They are claiming that maybe by August or September our trial will be over. No, I disagree. You are going to only phase 2, and you need at least millions of the people to be, tested, trial, clinical trial. How is it possible to get vaccine? So that's why I say that scientists, researchers, please be honest, and you should not be under political pressure anywhere in any part of the world. They should be given sufficient time, total freedom. It should not be under pressure. That's all. So here, with this I will stop, and my good wishes. But I'm sure that since a lot of global team is involved, somewhere the universities, somewhere research institutes, somewhere even government organization, manufacturers, all together they are putting their head, and we will get the vaccine. But of course you should not expect that within 1, 2 or 3 months. I am expecting that if everything goes normal, if we get in 2021, I will be surprised. It may take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.